What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Now I'm in a little, what we got? 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage Limited. Those little engines always sound like, it sound like something made by Lego. Ooh, tiny. Let me tell you, I just got out of a Chevy Spark, and this thing has 10 times the interior space that Spark had. Oh, and my seat was able to go back even further. This one's got heated seats. This is a limited model. Got heated seats down there. It's really clean. Got some little red trim accenting to go along with the seats. This is a repossession, but I tell you, whoever had it didn't beat on it. It's got 41,000 miles. Every time I see one of these at the sale, I always try to get a test drive, because this is one of those cars where I've just had the hardest time trying to decide if I really like it or not, you know? I think I do. I mean, I realize it's a 3-cylinder and it's just 1.2 liters, but that's the whole point, you know? It's supposed to be just economical transportation that I believe is probably pretty damn reliable too, with Mitsubishi's 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Oh, geez, seatbelt. Come on, seatbelt. I mean, even the little screen here looks better than what I've seen on other cars. You know, this looks 10 times better than that Spark I drove earlier. Man, and I mean, they're screwed together well. I mean, sure, they're cheaply made, but man, this thing ain't got a rattle. It rides good. It has a good ride. I think the way to go with one of these is just, you know, just get a 5-speed, you know, and extract the most you can out of it, because as you can see, it's really slow. But could I drive it? I mean, if I was stuck with one and it was a CVT, could I drive it every day? Yeah, sure. I'd drive it. Be just fine. A little slow. I mean, just a little slow. I think the 5-speed would help just go a long way. But that's to the floor. No hurries at all. But man, we got automatic climate control that is freaking ice cold. Lots of room. The seat sits up a little bit high, so it kind of boosts me up off the ground. It's got a great driving position. You know, just the more I spend in one of these, the more I drive at auction, I like them a little bit more each time. This one's a little black hatchback limited. It's got matching black wheels. We'll do a little walk around up here. I mean, it's not the best looking car, of course, but it's sharp. I mean, it's all right. It's not bad, especially in this all blacked out. And I'm kind of digging the red stuff in a cheesy kind of way. Yeah, it's got black Mitsubishi rims on it. They look good. Got some Yokohamas. It doesn't, I think the 2021s have the redesigned front end with the more aggressive grille. But whoever had this one, they didn't beat on it. Well, it's got a little damage back there on the bumper, but not bad. I mean, they took care of the interior. You know, no smoking. This thing smells good. It smells like new. I mean, I still stink from the last car I got out of. It smelled like cigarettes and ashtrays so bad. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little car. I might have to pick me one of these up one day. One day. Let's see, this was in slot 43. 43. I think I'm all the way up here somewhere. Yeah, we'll do this right here. I don't know if it's right, but we're gonna do this. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.